Good evening friends. Today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the best company in India basically. Right now the current price of this company is showing 3,735 in BSE, and if you check the overall chart of this company, the 5-year chart, you will be surprised the company chart is showing excellent in bullish trend. And if you see the 10-year chart, you will be surprised the company has given multi-bagger return in last few years. Okay, and right now it is consolidating at the same price. But let's see more detail about this company is from chemical industries. Okay, market cap is 33,947 crore, and category is mid cap. Enterprise value you can say is 34,856 crore. Book value is 288. Price to earning ratio 44.64. Peg ratio is in more than one is something you can say is a company may grow slowly in the coming days. Dividend is 0.21. And if you see the performance of the stock, it is saying that the 5-year return of this company stock has given 221%, and 10-year return has been given by this company is 1876%. Okay, now let's see about the deliveries of this company. Okay, what the company is doing, how much delivery they are doing. 63%, 70% delivery, and also you can see the monthly basis also same 60 to 70%. And if you see the corporate activity of this company is paying consistent dividend, 8 rupees, 6 rupees, 7 rupees. In last June 2023 they decided to pay 8 rupees dividend. And if you see here the company's technical information, at present it's showing oversold. Please check with your advisor before taking further position in this company. And now let's see the companies from the chemical industries. It is from mid cap company. Enterprise value we discussed already, P industry P. But right now just see the face value just 2 here. Number of subscribed share is 9.05. And if you see the result of this company, you will be surprised that every quarter company is increasing their sales, which is an excellent performance by the company. Every year the sales are increasing. Maybe the company is having some kind of monopoly activity. So right now it's 1928 crore in the latest quarter by the company, and EBITDA is also growing accordingly. And if you say the latest quarter is 557 crore EBITDA growth, EBITDA value. And if you compare to the last, maybe for example December 2020, the EBITDA was just 132 crore for this company. Along with this particular development and growth, companies also increasing their interest, which is also something not that much matter of concern, but the company is increasing their burden borrowing. Now let's see about the overall profit after tax. The company was saying 174 in March 2022, but now in March 2023 is 220 crore PAT, is still after giving the interest. And now net profit is also growing from 174 crore to 200 crore, and consolidated profit also growing from 167 to 200 crore in last few years. Now let's see here the annual return. When you see the annual return, you will be surprised that from this overall development, the company's growth is exponential. Basically in March 2014, the overall sales of the year, full year, for this company is just 1133 crore. But slowly every year, maybe you can say in 28 is 1951, in 2021 is 2025 16 crore, and now this year 2023 the company has given 6923 crore sales. Very exponential growth by the company. Along with that, the EBITDA is also growing exponentially. Now EBITDA is showing 1289 crore. If you compare to the last few years, the EBITDA is exponential in the growing situation. Along with that, the companies, if you see here, the company interest is also increasing along with that, but it's not having too much impact in the overall profit growth. PAT is also showing 276 crore in March 2019. Now March 2023 is 811 crore. Excellent performance by the company. And consolidated net profit is 261 crore in March 2019, and March 23 is showing the 757 crore. There is exponential growth in the overall profit. Now let's see here the ratios. You will be surprised that the return on equity is showing 35.86 okay, 35.86, and return on capital employed 36.34. And if you see the last few year, this year is having excellent return on capital employed. Return on asset also 19%. But if you see here the efficiency ratio, you will be surprised that company maintaining my margin intact 19%. Earlier company was also maintaining the intact 20% margin. Now if you see here the earning per share ratio is showing 83.67 EPS, and if you see the book values, every year the book values are increasing, which is very excellent for this company. Inventory turnover ratio is also reduced, debtor days also basically something increase, but if you talk days payable is reduced, very good. Inventory days also reduced, working capital also reduced, very excellent maintained by this company. If you see here the balance sheet of this company, you will be surprised and you will be happy that because the company are not changing their equity capital, very solid fundamental company. And if you see here the reserves are going like a J curve, which is very high and basically good growth by the company here. Overall net non-current liabilities showing 526, current liability if you're 1632. But if you talk about the non-current asset is showing 2407 crore, the exponential growth in non-current asset, and current asset also grows 2501. If you see here, what is the special thing? The company's inventory are going like a J curve. What exponential growth by the growth in the inventory. 1098 crore. Sundry debtor market going to receive from the market money is 825 crore, and cash and bank balance 260 crore cash they are having. Excellently balance sheet managed by the company. And net sales in the, if you see the profit and loss, the every year sales are increasing, okay, every year sales are increasing. Along with that, the overall profit are also increasing. In this overall, you can see the consolidated profit also increased from 262 crore to 757, and cash flow is excellently managed by the company. Positive cash flow the company is having right now. Promoter, what promoter is doing? Promoter is holding intact in this company, not losing a single piece of share in this company. 73.15% of the holding by the promoter. FIA holding intact here, not they are also increasing slowly in the position in this company. And on DIA also intact, holding 14.31% last 1 and 2 3 years. Non-institution also very interested in this company. Who is the promoter? You can read about the promoter here. You can see Manish Newall and Kailash Newell. These are the actually promoter name, and you can also read about the who are the board of directory. Some of the top mutual fund are also holding this stock, like Equity Hybrid, SBI Hybrid, SBI Focused, Kotak Emerging. These mutual funds are also holding this stock. Very excellent performance by this company. If you see the fundamental scan here, and you will be surprised, the company's equity, return on equity is basically high, improved return on equity improving, high increased quarterly sales, consistent dividend paying company. Excellent information. Let's see the website of the company quickly. You will see that the company name, now company name is Solar Group Company. The company is Solar Industries Limited. If you see here, what is the company? Solar Industry Limited. Company is actually producing explosive and supplying all over the world, including India is also using this particular solar, not only for industrial purpose, but also for some of the explosive activity. Defense companies also using this particular company's product. Now let's see here what are the other information about this company, the Solar Industries. If you go here, you will see the product of the company here. You will find, okay, how many products this company are making and where these are used. Basically, these are the package explosive, bulk explosive. So this company is used by the defense sector. Defense is using this particular product, like military explosive, ammunitions, initial system, and integration of rockets. So these things are basically supplied by this company to the not only in India but all over the world. Okay,